Welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Woo. Out for a little after work ride, little motor vlog. Yeah, so I had last Wednesday off. It was a beautiful, gorgeous day, but I couldn't or I wouldn't go out and ride my motorcycle. As you guys probably heard, here in Connecticut last Tuesday, we had a pretty powerful tropical storm come through. Did real heavy damage. I think there was actually a confirmed tornado in Westport, Connecticut. I mean, this thing ripped trees and telephone poles and wires, and I'll put some pictures up that I took as I'm chit-chatting here. So yeah, I lost power last Tuesday around 2 in the afternoon. Had it restored. Came back on Saturday around 5 o'clock. So a little over 4 full days without power. I'm lucky I have a generator at my house. I was able to put a window unit in for AC because it's been hot up here too. So I was fortunate, and I was still going crazy with this pandemic, being locked in the house. You know, usually you go to work, you come home, you have something, you go out, you do something fun. Luckily I have the bike and my boat, so I do get to do stuff. I feel bad for the people that just don't have anything to do. It's a really tough time, so keep going, everybody, keep going. All right, so the other thing I want to talk to you about is I want to say thank you for 400 subscribers. That's a big thing, and I'm very excited with that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. Please hit that subscribe button. Like my videos, hit the like button. If you want to be the troll and hit the dislike button, that's up to you. Read my shirt. I don't give a damn. I don't know. Whenever I watch videos, if I'm not interested or don't like something, I go to the next one. You got to be a real miserable person. So I'm sure now I'm going to get a couple dislikes just from these miserable people that were on the fence of doing it. Now they'll do it. So I wanted to tell you that I have ordered some tools from RevZilla. I ordered a couple items. I'll be doing videos on each one of those separately. I'll do an unboxing, show you the tools, talk about it. Pretty excited about that. They should be here in a few days, so I'm hoping to get this video up sometime this week. And then those 2 videos will follow. Hopefully RevZilla gets some of the parts in that I'm waiting for, that I'm going to be doing the install with some of these tools. But we'll see. Hopefully soon. And the other thing is, for my channel, I talked about it in some of my last videos. I'm definitely considering buying a bike to fix up. I'm looking, and I really can't find anything. Nothing's really jumped out at me like, oh, this is it. I'm so up in the air. I would love an old 1970s Honda CB, strip it all the way down, rebuild it. And then another part of me is getting antsy to ride a crotch rocket again. So, you know, do I look for a early 90s Ninja or something? Fix it up and go riding on that? Or do I look for like a touring bagger bike that needs work to be fixed up, and then I could go have something to take long trips on? I just don't know. So if you guys have any comments or suggestions with that, leave it in the comments. Tell me what you think, because I'm definitely trying to find something before winter, because I want it to be my winter project, and you guys can follow along. I'll be doing videos on it. Should be a good time. Alright, so we got that out of the way. Let's see. I want to give a shout out. Somebody that constantly is giving shout outs. I really like him. He's a really genuine person. You can tell he makes his videos. It's him, you know, and he's pretty entertaining, makes me smile. So do me a favor, guys, go over, check out his channel. I'm going to leave it up at the banner here. It's Mr. G 1965. He's got some good stories. I'll tell you what, go over there and check him out. Alright, Mr. G, have a good one. Hopefully some of my subscribers go over there and check out your content. Really good. Alright, so I think that about wraps up my video. Keep an eye out, hit that bell notification so you know when I drop the video about the tools that I got, and the unboxing on them, and installs that are coming up. So this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe. I love it, I love it.